In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a customer list into Zoho Books step by step. If you're moving from another accounting system, migrating from spreadsheets, or simply want to upload multiple customers at once instead of creating them one by one, this feature will save you a huge amount of time. Zoho Books makes it really easy to upload customer data using a CSV file, but there are a few settings and mapping steps you need to get right so everything imports correctly. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, from opening the customer section all the way to finishing the import. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open the main dashboard. Once you're inside your organization, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the major sections like sales, purchases, banking, and reports. To begin importing your customer list, click on the Sales section in the left sidebar. When the Sales menu expands, select Customers. This will open the full list of customers that already exist inside your Zoho Books account. If your account is new, this list may be empty, but the process is exactly the same either way. Now look toward the top area of the customer page and find the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions for managing your customer records. Click the three dots to open the drop-down options. From the list of options that appears, choose Import Customers. Zoho Books will now take you to the Customer Import screen where you can upload your file. On this page, you'll see an option that says Choose File. Click Choose File and locate the customer list you saved on your computer. Most people will be uploading a CSV file, exported from another system or from a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. After selecting your file, Zoho Books will ask you to confirm a couple of import settings before continuing. The first setting is character encoding. In most cases, you should leave this set to UTF-8, which is the standard format used for most CSV files. This ensures that special characters, names, and symbols display correctly after the import. The next setting is file delimiter. If your file is a CSV file, you should select comma as the delimiter. This tells Zoho Books that commas are being used to separate each column of data inside your spreadsheet. Once your file is selected and these settings are confirmed, click the Next button to continue. Zoho Books will now analyze your file and bring you to the field mapping screen. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process. Field mapping simply means matching the column names from your spreadsheet to the correct fields inside Zoho Books. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column labeled Customer Name, you'll want to map that to the Customer Name field in Zoho Books. If you have columns for email address, phone number, billing address, or company name, you'll map each of those columns to the appropriate fields as well. Take a moment to carefully review each mapping to make sure everything lines up correctly. This helps prevent missing information or incorrectly assigned data after the import finishes. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, continue to the final step and confirm the import. Zoho Books will process the file and begin adding the customers to your account automatically. Depending on how large your list is, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. After the process completes, your imported customers will appear in the customers list and will be ready to use for invoices, estimates, and other sales transactions. And that's it. You've successfully imported a customer list into Zoho Books. As you can see, once your CSV file is prepared, the entire process only takes a couple of minutes and can save you a lot of manual data entry. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.